So these fish are not at the bank?
That one wouldn't. Here, let me cast you.
I just had a bite right there.
You think so?
Yeah, seriously. Did you see it like go
I believe
like
you.
that? Did you see it just go down like that? That felt like a bite. That was a true enough bite.
Right here.
Back in the money spot.
There you go.
That's not
I'm
the
gonna see if I
money
can find some lizards and maybe some...
Whoa. Heron.
That's pretty cool.
Blue heron. Great blue heron. What's so great about it anyway?
There you go.
Why is it named the great blue heron?
I guess because they're just big.
Does great mean big?
Mm-hmm. Like a great white shark is a big one.
How much feet is it?
A great white shark?
Uh-huh.
They can even be like 30 or 40 feet, can't they? You're the expert.
No, the wildcats are the experts. Mostly, right?
They are experts.
Who do you think's smarter, me or the wildcats?
I think you're smarter. You're the smartest kid I know.
Is that the big one?
The
Big
better one.
Need net?
Nah. Another largemouth. Well, we just can't buy Kentucky, can we?
No. But can I measure him?
He's 15.
Oh, can you hold my rod, please? Can you hold my rod, please?
Yes.
There we go, a big largemouth, a 16-inch largemouth. That's a success. Success. Oh, a fish.
Hey, that's a good hook set, but that's a snag. Here.
Makes me mad.
Here.
Told me to do a real hard one.
I did.
So I did it. But that was a good practice hook set, right?
Mm-hmm.
Fish?
Yep.
Oh, great.
Nope.
What was it? Oh, stick. Can I unhook it?
Well, Daddy sure was excited.
Or can I show it to the camera so we can
You
get
gonna make fun of me?
more likes and subscribers?
Sure, go.
Daddy caught a stick fish. Way to go, dingus. Oh,
There
fish.
you go. Easy,
Oh, that's
easy,
a big one.
easy. Take your time. Just take your time.
Oh, net. Never mind. Oh, look how we got hooked.
That's crazy. You foul
was-
hooked him.
Wait, what is that? Kentucky?
I think it's a largemouth.
Largemouth?
Uh-huh.
Yes, it's a fish. There we go. Nice largemouth. He's a decent sized largemouth, but he's not a keeper. When you first start get a fish, when you first get a bite, and then you get a fish, and then you get more fish.
Yep. Can't catch a bunch unless you catch one, can you?
Right. That's just how it works, that bowl. No, like, I mean, that one's sticking out of the water.
Yeah, that tree's dead.
Oh, so cast towards it?
Well, we already fished it. Just keep going, keep working up this bank. We both already cast it towards it.
Catch anything? Oh, dang it.
I need you to hang on to this tree. Yeah, I know. That's the end of those shorts.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god. I accidentally threw my lure up in the brush and Daddy tried to get in and he ripped his pants. And he ripped his shorts. Did you work in this area yet, Daddy?
What's that?
Did we look in this area yet?
Did we look in this area?
Yeah.
You been here before?
No, I don't mean in there. Wait. Fishing was kind of tough, but look what we found. Eating mushrooms. Hey, it's me and Will from the Will You Fish With Me YouTube channel, and today me and Daddy are at a lake that's flooded and we had to launch off a road and Daddy got eaten up by ants and hopefully we're gonna catch him.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah. Another one?
Maybe smallmouth. He was right by that tree that's out there by itself. Yeah, they're gonna get wet. I got you. I got you. Be calm. I got you. That slide was real slippery, wasn't it? Yeah. But right at the bottom of the slide was the ground. You're only in water when it's like that. It's okay. I bet it feels good to be wet for a minute though, doesn't it? Yeah.
Net? That's easy.
Big fish.
What is this?
I don't know. It's big. Get the net, lower the net down. There you go.
there we go, a nice big smallmouth. Man, that's like a 4-pounder.
He's pretty good.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.